So now let's go over number 3, which was on our exit ticket. Asuka is planting grass seeds on her new lawn. The dimensions of her lawn are 4 feet by 3 feet. The instructions to plant the grass seeds suggest planting 16 seeds for every square inch. How many seeds should Asuka use to plant her entire lawn? So make sure you write down your goal and your key numbers, and if possible, a visual before you even attempt to attack this problem. So our goal, find how many seeds will be needed for the entire yard. Our key numbers, we have a 4 feet by 3 feet lawn, and then there's 16 seeds per square inch. And I drew a little visual. It's 3 feet by 4 feet, and then every square inch is 16 seeds. So the reason why I asked you guys to write your key numbers is with the key numbers with this problem, you would automatically see that this is a unit conversion problem. I see feet. I see inches. Those are not the same units. I can't add apples and oranges. I can only add apples and apples. So first thing I'm going to do, I know that 12 inches equals 1 foot. And we're going to convert our yard from feet to inches. So our first one, we have 3 inches, 3 feet. I know to get from 3 feet to 1 feet to 3 feet, I got to do times 3. What you do to one side, you do to the other. So I know I'm multiplying by 3 over here. So I have 36 inches. Now for 4 feet, to get from 1 feet to 4 feet, I know I multiply by 4. What you do to one side, you do to the other. So 12 times 4 equals 48 inches. Or you could have did 1 feet plus 3 feet equals 4 feet, and 12 inches by 36 inches plus 12 inches plus 36 inches equals 48 inches. Now what do we do now? I'm not sure. But let's go back to our units. I see square inches. What do you think of when you think of square inches? Area. So now we must find the area of our lawn. And we know to find area, length times width. So we're going to be doing 48 times 36 inches. So let's set up our standard algorithm. 6 times 8, 48. Put my 8, carry the 4. 6 times 4, 24. Plus 4, 28. I'm going to scratch out this 4 right here. Now because we're in the tens place, we're going to begin in the tens place. So let's put a 0 and no ones. 3 times 8, 24. Put the 4, carry the 2. 3 times 4 is 12, plus 2 is 14. Now let's add, and we're going to get 827 square inches. But we're not done yet. Now we just know the area of our lawn in square inches. Now we can now figure out how many seeds will be needed for the entire lawn. Because we know it's 16 seeds per square inch. Meaning if there's 1 square inch, there's 16 seeds. If there's 2 square inches, there's 32 square seeds. So now we got to take this big number and multiply it by 16. So let's set our standard algorithm up once again and begin multiplying. 6 times 8, 48. Put the 4. 6 times 2, 12 plus 4, 16. Put the 6, carry the 1. 7 times 6, 42 plus 1, 4, which is 43. Put the 4. 6 times 1 is 6 plus 4 is 10. This 1 represents the tens place. So we're going to begin in the tens place. So let me put my 0 here. And we just multiply 1 out. So 8, 2, 7, 1. Now we just add 8, 4, carry my 1, 6, 7, 2. So 27,640